when you've had a lovely dinner with friends and you're not too sure if you want a big dessert or maybe an after dinner drink? Well, why not combine them together for this delicious mango and tequila sorbet? This is so delicious. So we need to start with a chili syrup. This syrup is going to be drizzled on the top. I'll add half a cup of caster sugar along with half a cup of water to a pot. Now you want even amounts of sugar to water. And we just want that sugar to dissolve and come to the boil. To give it some flavour, I love the addition of some lime, and not just the lime juice, but also the lime zest. There's so much flavour in the zest. And mango and lime, well, we all know it goes so well together. So zest in first, just on a fine grater. And to that, I'll add the juice. This one's super juicy, so squeeze that in. And some vanilla bean paste, about a teaspoon. And just to give this a little bit of a hum, I love the addition of some chili powder. Now, we don't want to go crazy with the chili powder, just add a small amount. It's just for the warmth of it. And then we can always add some more if you want some more heat. So this now then just has to come up to the boil it for a minute, and then allow it to cool completely to room temperature. The sugar syrup is cooled down, so let's get onto the mango sorbet. Only 2 ingredients needed: mango chunks and tequila. Now the mango chunks have to be frozen because after that's blended, it's going to form into that icy sorbet. So I'm going to add about half of this packet. In it goes. And then the tequila. I'm not going to give you a full quantity for this. You can add as much or as little as you like. I'm going to add about that much. And the lid can go on. And I'm not adding any sugar to this because the mangoes are sweet enough. So we'll blend this until it's really smooth. Oh, and just like that, instant mango sorbet. Look how velvety and silky that is. Just fantastic. So you just serve this straight away, no time to wait for this one. A hot spoon, and I'm going to spoon out a dollop. It's a soft sorbet, so it can be a little bit softer than your usual variety, particularly because it does have that alcohol in there. And our sugar syrup, our chili sugar syrup, drizzle that over the top, and a little sprig of mint. There you go, a dessert done in no time. And if you're like my friends, you're gonna love this one.